Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to check battery health on this laptop. To check your battery health, you can use the pre-installed BIOS Diagnostics menu, and to open it you have to turn off your laptop, so go to the Start menu, open Power Options and select Shutdown. Then wait until your device shuts down, and after it does, press the power button once to power your PC on and start repeatedly pressing F2 key until you see the Diagnostics menu on your screen. Okay, and right now, using down and up arrow keys, navigate to Power Tests, press Enter, then select Battery Test, press Enter again, and wait until the test is complete. Now, as you can see, the battery check primary was says OK. This means the general health of the battery is OK. Logic state, so the AC adapter connection is OK, and charge state is also OK. Now, to check the general health of your battery, you have to use the right arrow key to navigate to battery details and press Enter, and in this menu you can see the design capacity of your battery, which is 50 watts an hour, and that means that that's the original capacity of your battery. Now the full charge capacity, which is the current one, is 37.43 watts an hour, and it's 74% of the original battery capacity, which means that your battery health, this battery is basically at 74% of its original health. So that's how you check your battery health on your laptop. Now press Enter to go to main menu, then scroll down to exit, press Enter, then press Yes, and then press Enter to continue booting, and this way you will return back to Windows. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.